Yo everyone, the last time I found the only working Litmatch application who allowed you to generate unlimited diamonds absolutely for free, and this name of application is Litmatch++, and this video I will show you how to install, use and how to get this application for Android device. It works also in iOS. So how it works is very easy. After install, enter amount of diamonds as we want to generate for our account. I enter this number because why not? And this is very easy. The last step is press button generate, and what happened? You see everything is generate and working, so we wait to finish this process. After finish we check it works or not. Now as you can see, open our account, so we wait one moment and boom, wow, as you can see, this is cool trick. As you can see, everything is work. Now I have generate unlimited diamonds absolutely for free, and everything is absolutely for free. But where I download this application? I download from this website, as you can see, Zeno app. How to get the Litmatch++ for your application? It's very easy step. Open browsers and go to this website. Okay, after open this website, scroll down or search the Litmatch++. As you can see, this is this application. All you have to do to get install this application, we click them install, and now as you can see, our application Litmatch++ is already installed. So we wait to finish this process. The last step is human verification. It's important and required. Follow all instructions. After complete every step, your Litmatch++ will be downloaded and installed in your device. I skip this verification because I already done before I record this video. As you can see, everything is work. So follow all steps and enjoy. Thank you for watching.